The 2025 Dacia BIGSTER combines rugged design with modern elegance, capturing attention wherever it goes. The shark fin antenna adds a sleek touch, enhancing aerodynamics, while the Y-shaped LED lighting signature ensures you stand out day and night, offering both style and improved visibility on every journey. Step inside to find a 10.1-inch media nav live with connected navigation for seamless trips and microcloud fabric washable TEP upholstery for easy care. Competitive finance packages available. Speak to our friendly sales team for a personalized quotation. Call or visit Platinum Dacia Trowbridge today to schedule your test drive of the 2025 Dacia BIGSTER. Speak to our team about paint protection, gap insurance, and tire and wheel protection for complete peace of mind.